On the night of June 30th, 2022, Coweta County turned into a full-blown action flick. A red Hyundai Elantra blitzed down I-85 like it was chasing a rocket launch, totally ignoring cops' flashing lights to slow him down. After ditching the highway, he veered into oncoming lanes, smashing his front wheel like a demolition derby. But no, mate wasn't done.
We're deal 16, deal 15. Take the north progress route. 15, national progress. That's the Willow Grove, that's Willow Grove. Yes, let's start past Willow Grove.
He limped the car forward like a wounded kangaroo until a cop landed a killer pit, sending the car somersaulting in epic fashion. Just when you thought it was over, the bloke launched out of the wreck, bolted into the woods, and ducked behind a twig-sized tree. Cops nabbed him easy. Lesson? If you think you're the star of an action movie, don't forget. The cops always get the final scene.
Last minute jumped off worst name you ever did. Right here, man. What's your name so I call you by name? What's your name? No. Hey. Rise with you. Hold on, Walls. You start digging somewhere. I got it.
Tuesday, 12th November 2024, Pulaski County. Michael Lewis Jr. was FaceTiming his girlfriend while driving, bragging he was speeding past cops with all these warrants. When stopped for phone use, he gave a fake name and bolted down the interstate. While fleeing, he threw drugs out the window and drove recklessly.
He was throwing bags out the window about 2 miles back.
Lewis lost control at 3M Road, flipping his car on its side, caught with cash, marijuana, oxycodone, promethazine and alcohol. Facing over 10 charges plus multiple warrants, his attempt to flex for his girlfriend turned into a live show of how not to escape, with a flipped car and a shiny pair of handcuffs as souvenirs.
Let me see your hands, driver! Driver, show me your hands! I want to get in front of that window. I think we need to approach from the other side, so I'm in front of the driving window. Yep. Oh, yeah. Alright, how we gonna move it? We're at the 3M. Keep your hands up, you're gonna get shot! Get your hands out the fucking window! Get your fucking hands out the window! Let you want to get shot! Put your fucking hands out the window! Put both your fucking hands out the window right now! You better get your fucking hands out the window right now!
Roll out of the top! Can I go to the other side?
Yeah. Hold your fucking hands up. Just do like that. You're a dumbass, you know that? Yeah, you start talking stupid shit. Get out. Fall out this fucking window right now. I'll take around this your car. Alright. We're the assholes. You drive them like that, we're assholes. Yeah. We know you think about risk out here. Shut up, dude. We can cross the car. You got a phone, man. I'm leaning. I'm cooperating, bro.
42 level 1.
On February 20th, 2021, a white Audi clocked 83 miles per hour in a 55 zone and pulled a fake stop before launching off like a jet. The driver swerved into oncoming traffic, blew red lights and even switched off headlights. Trying to become invisible, mate. He brake-checked cops, nearly wrecked his own car on speed humps, but kept going like a man possessed.
There's people from my fireworks in that general area.
You taking a left onto He's made contact with him at 56, coming up 52nd now.
You think I'm going to the call? Range control 1, I'm coming out from my ear. Stop,
After a wild 450-degree spin from a textbook Piat, the Audi smacked another sedan, and the driver took off into the woods. Caught minutes later, he had a backpack loaded with green stash and $2,022 in cash. When asked why he ran, he said, "Got nervous, made a mistake." Yeah, mate, that mistake turned you into a star of your own live-action chase film. Tuesday, 25th February 2025, Marianna, Arkansas. A driver blasted down Highway 79 at 93 miles per hour, 150 kilometers per hour, prompting police to flip around and give chase.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Put your hands where I can see them!
When the suspect veered onto a rural back road and refused to stop, the trooper ended the show with a decisive tactical stop. Behind the wheel was Jimmy Crawford, reeking of alcohol, belligerent, and flat out refusing all tests. His reward, a stack of charges and a one-way trip to jail. Morale of the story? If you've had a few drinks, don't push your luck with police. They'll win the chase and the court case.
Move up! What can I do? Look away from me. Go to your knees. I gotta do. What do you do? 93 and 55 not stopping. Huh? Right now. Why didn't you stop and why were you doing 93 and 55? My car was messing up. I need to blow it out, and that's all I was doing. Give me the other hand. How long you been drinking? How much you been drinking? GSP 168, make sure. You gotta tell her.
Late on August 18th, 2021, in Savannah, Georgia, a female driver gave police the ultimate runaround after refusing to stop for marked patrol cars, blaring sirens, and even a direct plea from the 911 dispatcher. After a high-speed chase bouncing from I-16 to I-516 and back again, she boldly called 911 herself to announce that she wouldn't be stopping, even after being told the pursuing officer was legit. As she sped through a construction zone at over 55 miles per hour,
I'm with 162 with one that looks off for Savannah. It's a black. It's a Hyundai. Florida, Edward Victor, Henry, Charles 68. EVH. C68, we're passing the 163 westbound.
Yeah.
160 right now. Looks like we're going to get off the jump. Traffic 63 is on your behind. GSP 168, make sure. What'd she say? We're going to jump part way. I'm about to pit her if she doesn't pull over. I'm trying to give her a chance.
officers warned, via the dispatcher, that this was her final chance to pull over. She didn't. A smooth P8 manoeuvre ended the chase, and upon arrest, the driver, Misha Strickland, reeked of alcohol, had watery eyes, dilated pupils, and had unfortunately lost control of more than just her vehicle. Due to COVID rules, the jail refused to admit her, so she was escorted to the Fairfield Garden Inn instead. Talk about going from catch me if you can to room service please, with DUI charges and a court date as her parting gifts.
Put your hands up! Can you get out? One 68 ring.
I told her I wanted to get to the same place. What did I do?
Yes, when the police stop, you have to stop.
I called 911 and I told her I wanted to.
Thursday, 15th February 2024, Interstate 40, Arkansas. A blue Scion was spotted weaving dangerously through traffic, forcing drivers off the road and turning the freeway into a demolition derby.
Hey, go ahead and direct that. Direct.
The situation escalated so fast that troopers used a tactical vehicle intervention to slam the car into the grassy median between traffic lanes. The suspect's car came to a dead stop, and Hardy threw his hands up like it was game over. But oh no, he wasn't done yet. In the back of the patrol car, he curled into a ball, grabbed the trooper's headset, and tried yanking out the dashcam wires. His reward? A longer charge sheet and a one-way trip to jail. Think you're starring in an action movie? You can cut the camera feed, but the only reel you'll see now is jailhouse footage.
Open that side. Open the door! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! They crawl out! They crawl out! Just gotta open the door! Put it fucking in. Don't get up. Spread your arms. Spread your arms! Give me your right hand. Get the fuck up. Aggie, do get on the ground. Get up. What are the nets in front of this? Nothing at all.